here at SLE Equipment in Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at 8.5x30 Gooseneck Deckover. At the front we do have a 25,000 pound adjustable jack with your safety chains and breakaway cable. There is a 12,000 pound dual heavy duty ram jack. Coming along, you do have pressure treated wood flooring as well as stake pockets and tie down points along the side of your trailer. There is a rear tire mount on the back of your gooseneck. This trailer does come with two 10,000 pound axles on 17.5 Kenda 16 ply wheels and tires. There's a strong main beam and channel crossmember spaced frame. This trailer is a dovetail and does come equipped with the Mega King Kong ramps. These ramps are secured with a arm pin system as well as a tension release hook. These ramps do flip up. This trailer does have LED brake lights as well as a self-cleaning dovetail. There are heavy-duty electric brakes. Once again, this is an 8.5x30 Gooseneck Deckover. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.